Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where your well-being is our top priority. Today, we're brewing something special for your kidneys. Kidneys play a crucial role in our body, filtering waste and excess fluids. But what happens when they're not functioning optimally? That's where we step in with nature's own remedy. Kidney issues often stem from inflammation, fluid retention, and toxin accumulation. Fortunately, certain herbal teas are nature's gifts, packed with anti-inflammatory, diuretic, and cleansing properties to tackle these challenges. Ever wondered which herbal teas are your kidneys' best friends? Stay tuned as we unveil the top 6 that you should be sipping on daily. We've handpicked these 6 herbal teas based on their proven kidney health benefits. From the soothing qualities of ginger tea to the calming effects of chamomile tea, each brings its unique touch to nurturing your kidneys. But that's not all. Along with revealing these teas, we'll dive deeper into how they work and the right ways to brew them for maximum benefits, plus some bonus tips just for you. Before we start, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more health-transforming content. Now let's embark on this flavorful journey to kidney health. Are you ready to discover your new favorite tea? Number 6, ginger tea. This zesty and flavorful beverage is not just a delight for the taste buds, but also a powerhouse of health-boosting antioxidants. Remarkably, research involving kidney disease patients has highlighted ginger's therapeutic potential in enhancing renal function. This efficacy stems from ginger's rich profile of bioactive compounds and nutrients beneficial for both brain and body. Gingerol, a key component in ginger, is known for its potent medicinal qualities. It plays a crucial role in combating inflammation, a critical aspect often underappreciated in chronic conditions like kidney disease. Inflammation is a common issue, and ginger tea offers a natural remedy. Additionally, ginger has been shown to aid in preventing stomach ulcers and alleviating digestive issues like indigestion and constipation. For women, ginger tea offers a particular advantage. Various studies have found it as effective as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs in easing menstrual pain, but without the associated side effects. Beyond these benefits, ginger tea is renowned for its effectiveness in relieving nausea. Now let me share with you the simplest, yet most effective method to prepare ginger tea. Thinly slice fresh ginger, about 1 inch per cup of tea. Combine these slices with fresh water in a saucepan, using 1 cup of water for each serving. Bring this to a boil. Then let it simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your preference for strength. I find 5 minutes usually sufficient. Strain the tea to remove the ginger pieces. Enhance your tea with a slice of lemon or orange for a touch of acidity, and if you like, a little honey or stevia, especially for those managing diabetes or prediabetes, can be added to soften the robust ginger flavor. A quick reminder, before incorporating any home remedy into your routine, consulting with your doctor is essential to ensure safety and compatibility with your health needs. And there you have it, a delicious, healthful cup of ginger tea steeped in both flavor and benefits. Now let's move on to number 5, a contender even more potent than ginger tea in combating inflammation, equipped with powerful detoxifying abilities. It's nettle leaf tea. This herb, often referred to as the mother of all tonics, is celebrated for numerous reasons. Loaded with essential minerals and possessing remarkable cleansing properties, it's particularly supportive of the urinary tract. Plus, its flavor is not just pleasant, but invigorating. Nettle leaf tea is derived from stinging nettle, a herb also known as Urtica dioica. In its natural state, it's somewhat hazardous due to needle-like hairs on its stems and leaves, which release irritating compounds upon contact, causing a burning sensation and rash. In its natural state, it's somewhat hazardous due to needle-like hairs on its stems and leaves, which release irritating compounds upon contact, causing a burning sensation and rash. To brew nettle leaf tea, simply use 1 tablespoon of dried leaves per cup of water, steeping it for about 5 minutes. So, what makes nettle leaf so beneficial? While the fresh leaves may cause discomfort, the dried version is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Recent studies, particularly those focusing on arthritis pain, have demonstrated results comparable to NSAIDs when using stinging nettle extract. Remarkably, participants were able to reduce their reliance on pain medication thanks to this herb. This is especially significant for those dealing with chronic conditions like chronic kidney disease, CKD. In countries like Germany and France, it's even approved for treating urinary issues, underscoring its detox capabilities. Beyond its anti-inflammatory effects, stinging nettle also has diuretic properties, aiding the kidneys in expelling excess toxins and fluids. Next, let's turn our attention to number 4, which offers not just an excellent coffee alternative, but also promises to enhance longevity: green tea. Often mistaken for just another regular tea, green tea stands out with its significant health benefits. It's not only a delight to sip, but can also aid in kidney repair. What makes it so special? Let's dive in. Green tea is linked to a myriad of health benefits, including reduced risks of heart disease and cancer. Its heart health properties, attributed to the polyphenols it contains, are particularly noteworthy. These compounds help relax blood vessels, which is also beneficial for kidney health. One of the secrets of green tea's power lies in its high kaolin content. Since it undergoes minimal processing, green tea retains an abundance of these phytonutrients, which are exclusive to the tea plant. Kaolin are so potent that they not only fight but may prevent cell damage. A large-scale Japanese study involving over 40,000 adults over 11 years discovered that those who drank the most green tea, 5 or more cups daily, had a significantly lower mortality rate during the study period. This makes green tea one of the most heart-healthy beverages available. Remember, heart health is vital for kidney well-being, so don't underestimate green tea. It's also beneficial in managing diabetes and improving insulin sensitivity, crucial since diabetes is a leading cause of CKD globally. However, be mindful of when you drink green tea. Consuming it with meals can inhibit the absorption of certain minerals like iron, which are essential for people with kidney disease. Ideally, enjoy your tea a couple of hours separate from meals. Additionally, green tea is a fantastic coffee alternative. The caffeine in coffee can elevate blood pressure, but green tea offers a lower caffeine content, helping you reduce caffeine intake without going cold turkey. A cup of green tea contains about 100 ml or less of caffeine compared to the higher amounts found in coffee. Do you want to know the best green tea brewing method now? First, remember that to achieve all the benefits of green tea, you should use high-quality loose-leaf green tea, not tea bags. This ensures that you are using the whole tea leaves and valuable essence. First, pour non-boiling water over the tea leaves and let it steep for about 10 seconds, then discard this water. This helps remove some of the initial tea compounds, eliminating any stimulating substances and ensuring the pure taste of green tea. Next, pour hot, not boiling, water onto the tea leaves and let the tea steep for 1 or 2 minutes. This process allows the tea leaves to fully open up and diffuse the essence of green tea, allowing you to enjoy all the nutritional benefits it offers. However, if green tea bags are your only option, you can still enjoy their benefits for your kidney health. Try this method and feel the difference. Another piece of advice: when selecting tea, always opt for brewed teas over bottled ones. Bottled teas and soft drinks are often high in sugar, essentially liquid sugar, which is detrimental to health. Even diet or sugar-free varieties are not kidney-friendly due to their content of additives like phosphates used as preservatives. Brewed teas offer health benefits, whereas bottled ones generally do not. Moving on to our number 2 spot, we introduce a truly underappreciated gem in the world of herbal teas, dandelion tea. Often overlooked as a simple garden weed, dandelion tea is in fact a treasure trove of health benefits, particularly beneficial for those managing kidney-related issues. This humble herb's roots and leaves have been utilized for centuries across various cultures for their medicinal properties. Let's delve into what makes dandelion tea a must-have in your wellness repertoire. Firstly, dandelion tea is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps the body eliminate excess fluid, a crucial function for maintaining kidney health. For individuals with kidney disease, managing fluid retention is often a significant challenge. Dandelion tea gently aids this process, helping to reduce the strain on the kidneys. Moreover, it's packed with antioxidants. These compounds combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and cellular damage, factors that are particularly harmful to kidney health. The antioxidant properties of dandelion also contribute to overall health by supporting the immune system and reducing inflammation. Regarding blood sugar levels, dandelion tea presents promising advantages. Studies, such as Sido and Smith in 2022 in the Journal of Herbal Medicine, suggest it can aid in regulating blood sugar, a crucial factor for those with diabetes, a condition commonly leading to kidney disease. But the benefits don't stop there. Dandelion tea is also known for its liver detoxifying properties. A healthy liver directly supports kidney function by reducing the overall toxin load in the body. This synergy between the liver and kidneys is crucial for maintaining overall body health. Now, how do you prepare this potent herbal tea? It's quite simple. For a basic dandelion tea, take about 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion leaves or root, add them to boiling water, and steep for about 10 minutes. If you're using fresh dandelion leaves, increase the amount to a small handful. Strain the tea to remove the leaves or roots. You can enjoy this tea as it is, or add a bit of honey or lemon for flavor. Remember, the best time to drink dandelion tea is either in the morning or early afternoon, as its diuretic effect can interrupt sleep if taken too late in the day. A word of caution: while dandelion tea is generally safe, it may interact with certain medications and isn't recommended for everyone. Always consult with a healthcare provider before integrating it into your routine, especially if you have health concerns. Have you ever tried dandelion tea, or do you have other herbal teas you swear by? Share your thoughts in the comments as we culminate our list. I'm thrilled to introduce a beverage that tops our chart, not just for its delightful taste, but for its impressive health benefits, especially for those with kidney disease: chamomile tea. Many of you might already cherish a warm cup of chamomile tea in the evening for its sleep-inducing qualities, but did you know that the quality of your sleep significantly impacts your kidney health? This is where chamomile tea excels, aiding your kidneys in multiple ways. Besides promoting a good night's sleep, it also enhances digestive health. Most importantly, it has been proven to lower blood pressure and alleviate stress, making chamomile tea an excellent choice for improving kidney health. It's a beverage that's not only effective but also safe to enjoy every evening. I personally adore chamomile tea for the tranquility and health benefits it brings. However, it's crucial to remember that relying solely on any one tea isn't enough to ward off illness. Your overall health is intertwined with your lifestyle and dietary choices. So while you might enjoy green tea or chamomile tea daily, it's equally important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This includes not smoking, staying active, and following a nutritious diet. If you're keen to learn more about how diet plays a role in kidney health, you might find our next video quite enlightening. That's all for today, and I thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of beneficial teas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more health insights. See you in the next video.